Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPC GCA। आज हम एल नीनो और ला नीना के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। El Nino and La Nina phenomena are due to imbalance in temperature in Pacific Ocean. El Nino and La Nina are Spanish words. El Nino means little boy and La Nina means little girl. South America, Peru, Pacific Ocean changes in seasons. Peru beach climate became hot in December. पेरू बीच वाटर बिकम्स हॉट इन दिसंबर। पेरू का जो बीच है वहां दिसंबर के महीने में पानी गर्म हो जाता है। दिसंबर क्राइस्ट वॉज बोर्न, सो नेम्ड एल नीनो, ENSO, एल नीनो सदर्न ऑसिलेशंस। इट अकर्स इन ट्रॉपिकल पैसिफिक ओशन। पैसिफिक ओशन इज द लार्जेस्ट ओशन, 35% of Earth, and total oceans are 70% of Earth, and Pacific Ocean is 50% of all sea, divided into North and South Pacific Ocean. Peru Beach is east and Indonesia is West Pacific Ocean. Normally, Peru coast water is cold and West coast water is hot. Water and air currents are from east to west. West Pacific, Indonesia and Australia higher than east, 60 centimeter high, and hot 10 degree centigrade or 18 degree Fahrenheit. Deep and cold water comes up in Peru coast. This is known as upwelling. Parts of sea looks same, but they are very different in fish production, temperature and pressure. Cold sea are more productive. Peru Anchovies, Engrollis ringens. Anchovies are most abundant in Peru beach. They are the main fishes and they are very much beneficial for fish industry. In December end, currents flow in opposite direction. Currents do not go westwards but come towards coast. Coast water becomes hot. Weather becomes hot and humid and number of fishes decreases. It brings more rains. 1 to 2 months condition become normal. Peru citizens named it El Nino because Christ was born. This brings more rains. The effect is seen in Uruguay, Chile, and British scientist Sir Gilbert Walker showed that the effect is also seen in India. According to Sir Gilbert Walker, India is very much dependent on monsoon. Agriculture is also dependent on monsoon. Monsoon is very irregular in India. When heat and rain increases in Pacific, rain decreases in India. He named this southern oscillations. He observed that when pressure is low in Tahiti and Australia, north coast Darwin pressure was high. When pressure is low in Darwin, Tahiti pressure was high, like seesaw of children. Like children seesaw oscillations, Darwin, low pressure is good for Indian monsoon. Thousands of kilometers apart, this connection is known as global teleconnection or GT or simply connection. These cyclic changes are known as ENSO, El Nino. Intensity of El Nino when Peru coast increases 0.5 degree centigrade, it is El Nino. Weak 1 to 2 degree centigrade or 2 to 4 degree Fahrenheit. It is moderate when 2 to 3 degree centigrade. Moderate when 4 to 5 degree Fahrenheit. It is strong when 3 to 4 degrees centigrade or 5 to 7 degree Fahrenheit. Extraordinary storm when above 5 degrees centigrade or above 9 degree Fahrenheit. Effects of El Nino are 1. Climatic, 2. Ecological, 3. Economic. Cold and dry becomes hot and humid. Flood in North Peru is seen. South Ecuador, South Brazil, North Argentina, Uruguay. El Nino and South oscillations are correlated with each other. East Pacific, low pressure, Indian Ocean, high pressure, so South Africa, Ethiopia, Southeast Brazil, East Australia, South Philippines, Central America, India becomes dry and no rains are there. Dry, agriculture is affected, fire is also caused sometimes, some places dry and some places are wet. Number of diseases also increases by this condition. Hot tropical Pacific and South American coast cold, more fish production is there and the zone becomes productive. Hot, less fishes die or migrate, squid, salmon, Peru anchovy, octopus also migrate and whole food chain becomes affected. Mammals and birds also decrease in number. Birds nest building also affected. Guano is sea water bird excreta in Peru. Guano business is there in Peru. This is also affected by El Nino. Sea temperature changes. Sometimes new species come there and new species arises. La Nina. La Nina means little girl. Opposite to El Nino. South America, west coast become dry and cold. Tahiti, more pressure. Darwin, low pressure. Low pressure is characteristic of hot sea. Darwin, low pressure, hot sea vapor. Rains in Indonesia, Philippines and India are observed. El Nino and Indian monsoon. High intensity El Nino, Indian monsoon does not weaken sometimes, but sometimes high intensity El Nino produces good monsoon in India. No El Nino, dry monsoon. There is no relation between El Nino and Indian monsoon. Indian monsoon is the most complex monsoon. Indian monsoon is the result of complex processes and El Nino is one of them. Thank you.